Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to NBKC Mortgage account online. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. First of all, start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, type in nbkc.com and press enter on your keyboard. NBKC Bank is an award-winning online mortgage lender based in Kansas City, known for its competitive rates and personalized service. Once you end up on this page, go to your right-hand side of the screen and click on the login area you'd like to select from the drop-down. To log into your mortgage, click on Home Loans. Now, once you select your Home Loans tab, click on the next field and type in your login ID. Now, once you type in your ID, go to the next field and type in your correct password. After you are done, click on Log In, and you will then be able to log in to your NBKC Bank's Home Loans tab. Simply go ahead and manage your mortgage, view your payments and other documents, check your loan status, and much more. If you are having trouble remembering your password while signing into your NBKC Bank account, get help by clicking on Forgot Password and follow through the instructions. So that's it for today's video. That's how you'll get to your mortgage account for NBKC Bank in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.